In this e-learning, we're going to show you how to access the Stallion Management Contacts links. Let's go to Reports. We're going to select the tab for the Stallion Management. And this is the report we are talking about, Stallion Links with contact information. In this option, WISE option is going to, for the period you set on the selection for date frame, is going to go after all the breeding contracts within that period and access the mare owner for all the breeding contracts. It can also go after all the shipping requests and go to the shipping to. It's going to create a list containing a collection with all the names. So shipping request, mare owner, frozen semen inventory, batch owner. You can pick and choose which customers that the Stallion breeding report has some sort of interaction with. So if you select, for example, mare management breeding log breeder, so all the customers that have been some sort of related in breeding records as the breeder will be in this list. You pick the type of customers that have relationships or links in the Stallion management. Next, you will select the fields from the customer file you'd like to have in your list. If you don't have a code here yet, you should click on the plus that will generate a authorization code for this report. And next, you go to the browser. Once you have set your options and click on this button, you can click on the save. That is going to save all the options and also the new code, authorization code, and you open the web browser. In the web browser, go to the page where you log into your account, the members login, and click on the link for authorization code. This is the authorization code in the WISE option cloud portal, and the code you see on that report is the code that you're going to enter on your web browser. Click to validate the code, and the report will come to your screen. Next, you can export the data into an Excel spreadsheet and share the file with your marketing company or prepare a merge situation for emails or form letters. So the idea is that you can easily get the contact data for all the places you have some sort of interaction with the stallions in WISE option. Thanks for watching.